Welcome everybody, or even better, hello my neighbor. In this video you will learn how you can disable Discord overlay in games. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just be in Discord, then click on user settings and then go to overlay, and you will find it here, enable overlay, enable in-game overlay, and now just unclick it. So that's kind of it, and that's how we make it. And that's quite simple, I think. So this is how you can delete the overlay, and I think you will get it how it works. By the way, look. We are what we repeatedly do. This is wonderful Stoic quotes I recommend to everyone. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for it. So yeah, I recommend read some Stoic philosophies. They are great. Seneca, Marcus Aurelius Antoninus, Epictetus. They are great. Goodbye.